Okay, lastly, let's talk about uh, the differences, how psychology influences health. There's a whole field for this. We have plenty of classes here at OSU in the psych department. You could take a whole entire course just in health psychology. It's this study of the relationships between psychological variables, so all the different things we've been talking about so far, from psych disorders, memory, learning, development, family, social, all of those things, and how they actually impact your biological health. Stress is a really important topic of study for health psychologists because stress affects every aspect of your personal health in a variety of ways. So to kind of show you what I mean, again, we're going to bounce back to a previous thing we've talked about. This was in the psych disorders chapter. We talked about this biopsychosocial approach to treatments. So we talked about how you can combine biological factors and different personal psychological factors and social environmental factors, and put them all together and figure out how they all contribute to that psych disorder and how you can treat it based off all those different factors. Turns out that's a good way of describing stress and health too. So there is a biopsychosocial model of health as well. And what this says, the same kind of concept, they put health at the very center crossover of these Venn diagrams. Health is the result of all of these factors overlapping. So biological factors like your genetics or your predisposition for infection, getting an injury or an illness, those kind of biology things in your body. In addition to psychological or personal factors, things like how you live your life, what stressors you have, what your mental health is like. In addition to your environmental or social factors, things like your support groups, your family and friends you have around you, what culture you grew up in. These things all overlap and determine ultimately how good your health is.